Hey, what's going on? So I'm going to be reintroducing my Beyond the Lens series of vlog style outings, for you to follow along in my journey, just on random things that I'm doing. If you find interest in it, let me know in the comments below. If there's enough interest, I will continue to focus on these and just work on them, make them better for all of you. And I hope you find it entertaining, and let's just get on with the video. I'm going back to my old format. Finally found my old video recording device, and basically going to be doing pretty much like a first-person shooter, split screen, live on the scene kind of thing. And actually, just ahead there, I see a couple of deer. It's very, very snowy, as you can tell. And I am using the HD 55-300 PLM. And the Pentax K-3 Mark III, as per usual. So this is actually just sort of a vlog. There's been some positive feedback in regards to the video I did on the 2023 review for the K-3 Mark III. A couple of valid points. Some people were saying that, the camera doesn't quite fit in with much of anything, given the fact, mirrorless camera prices and things like that. And I keep looking down just to make sure I'm not gonna, wipe out like, whoa, or anything like that. And I'm actually gonna be shooting in shutter priority. And let me just zoom this out here, because I'm not sure if you can see that, but there are 4 deer along here, and I am in AFS right now. And I'm just going to crouch down here as this guy comes closer and closer. And since you're moving, let me just switch this to AFC and raise my shutter speed a bit. So 1/400th of a second, f6.3 at ISO 160. Zoom out because you're getting pretty close there, bud. I don't actually have anything for you, though. Sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, and even at 55, it's still really tight. Still really tight. Yep, that's right. Look at me. Do that again. Do something cool. Come on, you're just going to walk away? Yeah, you're just going to walk away. Okay, so let me just move on to the next one here. Hopefully they're not too shy. There's 3 more to choose from. 3 more to choose from. I honestly wasn't expecting this when I first pulled in. I just happened to walk down this path, and there they was. There they was. Just very, very slow here. Don't want to scare them. I know, you're staring at me. I see you. Wonder if I can even get you there. And sure enough, yeah, you look away. Oh, God. Maybe I can get your face. Can I get your face? Oh, too late. You were eating some stuff. Where'd that other guy go? Oh, still walking away. Still walking away. Let's crouch down here and just be patient and wait. Just wait for you to raise your head. Oh, no, almost. And now you're moving along. And I'm actually using the most, not the most center point, but the Select EX Small, which is the 5-point reticle in the very center of the viewfinder, because there's enough space in between things here. Oh, almost had your eye. That one branch was in the way, so I'm not going to shoot that. Okay, let's see if I can get you way off there in the background. You're not quite cooperating with me here. And I know you're cleaning yourself off. Oh, look at that tongue. Oh, there's another one. Alright. It's not going to be a good shot. Just wait. There we go. And you're going to start eating some stuff on the ground. Just waiting for you to raise your head so I can just get a shot of your face. Come on. There's only so much patience I have, man. There we go. Except that one branch is in the way. I want to get both your eyes. Yeah, both your eyes. That'd be good. Environment shot. One more of your face. All right. All right. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, I know. Run away. Run away. I know. You keep staring at me. I'm not doing anything. I'm not going to do anything to you. Relax. It's all good. It's all good. There we go. What is that on your back? Oh, some of your hair's coming out. All right, let's see if we can get some. Birds. Get some birds. Do some high-speed stuff. You know, that kind of thing. That's actually why I came. But I was having to see the deer, and for all I know, the deer might be the only things that I actually get today. Apparently, there's more snow in the forecast. Fantastic. So far, it just seems like it's just very, very cloudy out. And hasn't been any snow or anything. But, yeah, so, like I was saying, so with the video that I posted, the 2023 updated review of the K-3 Mark III, the whole mirrorless thing, yeah, I get it. And, you know, it doesn't seem like you can actually get a D500 brand new. And to be honest, if you've seen the size of the D500, it's almost a full-frame camera size. But things like the 90D, it doesn't shoot as fast as the K-3 Mark III. Mirrorless cameras, it's a different ball game. It's almost a different sport at that point. But, you know, with the mirrorless cameras, yeah, I mean, they are fantastic devices. They are amazing for, you know, capturing photos and video. However, you know, it all comes down to lenses, right? Yeah, they have more lenses, but I've actually looked at the cost of the lenses, and the cost of replacing a number of Pentax lenses to get the exact same focal range, or very, very close to the same focal range, it adds up very, very, very quickly. So if you have invested in the lenses and the only thing holding you back is the camera body, I still think the K-3 Mark III is viable, regardless if it's DFA lenses or just DA lenses that you have. You know, the K-3 Mark III will work hand in hand with both series of lenses. You know, a lot of people say hold off for the K1 Mark III. I mean, people expect it to be coming, but at the same time, I mean, it's really a hope that it's coming. It was at that moment I realized these words will be very hard for some people to hear. However, it is the truth, and sometimes the truth hurts, as my mother used to tell me all the time before she would spank me when I was being bad, which you're not allowed to do anymore, which is why so many kids are unruly nowadays, but that's a different topic. Anyway, back to the video. There's been no official announcement from Pentax in regards to a K1 Mark III. You know, for all we know, maybe they're going to go back and do something like what Fuji's doing. Fuji has no full-frame camera. They are focusing only on medium format and APS-C. Pentax made their bread and butter from APS-C cameras. And then they had a medium format. And then they went and did the full-frame camera. So, for all we know, they may be investing everything they have into the legacy of the APS-C format, which is what they made the majority of their money from. So we don't know what their business decision is at the end of the day. All we're doing is assuming at this point. I'm not assuming anything. I'm just using what's already available. And if something happens later on, fantastic. If this ends up being the last released high-speed DSLR, well then, this is the last high-speed release DSLR, and after this, if anything happens to it, or I feel, at some point it's holding me back, which would take a long time for it to do that, then if there's no other DSLR choice, and it looks like, I would have to make that switch over to a mirrorless system. But at the end of the day, I mean, this is what's available, is the K-3 Mark III. It's not the latest DSLR. That goes to the KF. Oh, hello. How you doing? Where are you going? Oh, come on. Where'd you go? Look at me. Look over at me. Oh, jeez. Landed right on the camera. Not even sure if you saw that in the video portion. But, yeah, this has been 10 minutes. There doesn't seem to be much of anything, but I just wanted to bring you out on actual adventure with me in real time, pretty much. And this is going to be a regular thing that I do. And there is a downy woodpecker, I believe, somewhere up there. Where'd you go? And you are way up there. Oh, man. Yeah. And it went over to another side of the bush. Oh, grackle. Oh, you guys are such bullies. All right, where are you? You have nice colors, but you guys are bullies, and it took off. All right, so I think that is pretty much going to do it for this video. Just a behind-the-scenes adventure thing, and this is a lot of what it is. You just kind of head out and hope for capturing some stuff that you were looking for, and if not, well, then you just capture alternative things because what you were looking for isn't quite presenting itself, and I don't know where you guys are all coming from. Where on earth are you? Oh, sure. Yeah, okay. Oh, red-winged blackbird. There we go. Okay, come on. Yeah, wrong focus point. Yeah, that's not happening. Let's go small. Single point, small. There we go. That's one. That's two. Sure, now you drop down. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be getting any birds in flight. Oh, there's the downy woodpecker. Oh, come on. One more. Just look the right way. Oh, and you took off. Of course you did. Why would you not? And I'm losing a whole bunch of these guys floating around. Yeah, but the proximity, I'll be honest, the proximity is way too close. There's no way I'd be able to keep them in the frame once they took off, so I will attempt one. Come on. Do it. Go. Ah, too late. All right, one cardinal, and then we're done. One cardinal. Come on, look. Of course. Of course, there's a cardinal, and then it takes off and moves to a different location. Always seems to happen. Every time I come out, doesn't quite go exactly how I wanted. All right, well, this video has now been 13 minutes of hanging out with me. That's going to be it. So, as per usual, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you want to support that channel, the info's down there at the bottom below as well. And thank you guys all again for all the support. And I'm going to go. That's going to be it for this video. You'll see me on the next one. I'm out.